and why I started this YouTube channel. Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. My name is Akriti and welcome to Style with Akriti Joshi. Today I want to share a bit about myself and why this making a YouTube channel was so difficult for me. So I've always considered myself like a very private person. So putting my work or my personal life on social media was very scary or very daunting for me. And the idea of talking in front of the camera is something which was uh, I was not very comfortable doing. But since a few months, like maybe 2 months, I have been uploading these short videos on YouTube, and that gave me like a little bit of confidence to keep going, and that's why I'm able to do this right now. Also this once you're online, you open yourself to both praise and criticism, though. So that's what was going in my head. But I have realized that it's so important to face your fear, because if you can't do that, then you're not gonna achieve your dreams. And my dreams are like huge, and I do want to be so successful doing YouTube and styling agency which I have. And I've not been putting any of those work online. And if you're not putting anything on social media nowadays, you don't exist. And that's why I decided to do it. So right now, what I'm dealing with is, facing my fear every day, and every day is been a very challenging thing. But I am so happy that, I was able to post these short reels, which gave me a bit of confidence, and now I am ready to take it to a longer format video. So I decided to make this one. So, if somebody is in the same journey or at the same spot right now where I am, where, I am trying to start a YouTube journey, and I know so many people can also relate to this, that they are fearful in talking in front of the camera, or they have like a lot of self doubt about how and what they are going to show and how will people receive it. But this is me in front of the camera, and I'm all set to put things or my work on social media. Uh, Anyways, as a fashion designer turned fashion stylist and experience of like 13, 14 years, I am very passionate about styling, clothes, trends, and you'll see a lot of get ready with me videos. And I'll be talking about a lot of styling tips which you can do on a particular body type. And then you'll see a lot of everyday makeup, skincare for dry skin, and a lot of unboxing of things which I use in everyday life. A bit of lifestyle vlog, because I really want you guys to be on this journey with me while I am trying to make it big on YouTube. And I'm gonna do it in 2025. This is going to be my year. And if you're same as me, who are starting their journey on YouTube, please do love and subscribe to my channel, and let's grow together. So thank you so much for being here today, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video.